That's what artists get, is we get our receptions and we get to talk about our work. And that's the exciting stuff. Mirage is an installation that is site-specific to a building in downtown Albuquerque, where we basically built a series of metal aluminum frames and we stretched a holographic tape from each frame. The whole idea of Mirage was to create an installation that reacted to the architectural site condition and also created a brand new experience for anyone who might encounter it in their time in downtown.
I think it's always fun to just be able to look at materials in new ways. I don't know how those manufacturers would have thought that material is being used, but we bought, boxes and boxes of it and just strung it up however we could. The City Brights opportunity was like a really good chance to both get financial backing to be able to do something like big and grand and fitting to like the spectacle of our practices.
It kind of just felt like this force that we could really tap into as like a force for good, a force for positivity, a force for community. When so much else is going wrong, like art can still be something that is beautiful, something that brings people together.
It is emboldening to just have this opportunity to make something like big and very prevalent to the community, where like people can just go out into the street and see it.